Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. From MI11's exciting launch and all the exclusive updates to WhatsApp's new features that are upcoming, we've got all the stories from the world of technology covered for you in this countdown. Let's take a look.
Xiaomi will be launching the Mi 11 in China today. The Mi has been tipped to be made available for purchase at a starting price of 50,000 rupees for the 8x128GB option. The leak also shows that the 8x256GB option of the Xiaomi Mi 11 will be approximately 55,000 rupees. Apple now has a patent for AirPods to possibly be controlled using your tongue and teeth. Apple is expected to launch the next generation AirPods Pro 2, and we have already witnessed numerous leaks and rumors about the device. According to the patent filed by Apple, the AirPods Pro 2 will allow users to adjust the music playback by touching their face, shaking their head, and by clicking their teeth together. WhatsApp has been long rumored to be working on multi-device support. While it did not release the feature in 2020 as predicted, it might release the feature in the first half of 2021. The feature, as the name suggests, allows users to log in to a single account from 4 different devices. This means that you can log in from your iPad and iPhone at the same time. As of now, users can only log into WhatsApp web and phone at the same time. As per a report by Traxin, investors have poured in about $9.3 billion into Indian startups so far in 2020, despite the COVID-19 pandemic. In December alone, more than $1.5 billion was invested across companies including food delivery app Zomato, logistics player Delivery, and InMobi's Glance. The investments have been spread across 1,088 financial rounds. As per a report by Phone Arena, Apple has filed a patent with the US Patent and Trademark Office titled Display System with Localized Optical Adjustments. The report says that the Apple Glass will come with lenses that will adjust themselves as per the ambient lighting conditions, making the real-world image lighter or darker. India's space agency ISRO plans to build an additional fab at Semiconductor Laboratory, its chip-making facility in Chandigarh, in a bid to scale up capacity to meet the growing demand for chipsets for rockets and satellites as it opens up the space sector to private firms and startups. As per new leaks, Samsung Galaxy S21 series is set to use the Snapdragon 888 chip in the US, while other markets will get the Exynos 2100. The leak says that the Exynos chip is closer to this year's Snapdragon 888 in terms of performance. Both models will get 8GB RAM as standard, while the storage will be available either in 128GB or 256GB. The wettest weather in at least 20 years boosted production from hydroelectric plants, leaving Sweden and Norway with some of the lowest power prices in the world. The resulting glut in the most important raw material for making the virtual coins coincided with a year when the price of Bitcoin tripled. Google has quietly removed the astrophotography mode feature from its Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G smartphones via the Google Camera 8.1 update that was launched in November.
So these were our top 9 news from the world of science and technology. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.